Who are your top 5 front rows of all time?
Yeah, cool. I would say growing up in South Africa, Oos Durant was a prime example of a front row. He was strong, natural farmer strength, and he just had he was a good runner as well. He could carry the weight. I think as well, I have to say Tendai Matorira, the Beast. I'm still in contact with the Beast for some business things and connections, and just to stay in life, we're still in contact. He successfully transitioned after a very successful career. And then in Scotland, I would have to say Ross Ford, the hooker, front rower. When I first came to Edinburgh 9 years ago, he was 124 kilograms, 3% body fat. And he could whistle a watt bike. They have to chuck the watt bike away or send him for repairs after he's been a pre-season through them. And then Mighty Mouse, Ian McLaughlin. Mighty Mouse was for his size as well, that's why they call him Lions player. He's just been an outstanding prop example for me, on and off the pitch. And then Chunk, Alan Jacobson, Chunk. I think he's the most capped guy for Edinburgh Rugby as well. One of the top 5. He must be the top. I think over 250 matches, maybe 300. So Chunk, he played a few games and he has a few tails as well.